Bodine delivers innovative emergency lighting solutions for a broad range of luminaires. The latest addition to the microinverter family is the ELI-S-25. The ELI-S-25 provides backup AC mains voltage when AC power is lost, and is a perfect solution to provide backup power to a UFO high bay luminaire. Before we begin, all work should be performed only by qualified personnel. Follow all safety precautions typical of working with electrical installations, and read and follow all precautions given in the Bodine installation instructions provided with the ELI-S-25. For this installation, we need the ELI-S-25, the PRT-269 optional mounting bracket accessory, and a few basic tools. Gather everything and let's get started. First, we will install the ELI-S-25 on the PRT-269 mounting bracket. Note, this step can be done on a tabletop or while hanging. However, on a tabletop is the easiest method and is what we will be doing here. Begin by unscrewing the two long screws in order to loosen the clamp, and loosen the short screw in order to remove the wiring compartment cover. Remove the cover and set it to the side for now. Now, flip the bracket over and slide the ELI-S-25 chassis in between the lower fixed clamp and the upper moving clamp. Hold everything in place and flip the assembly back over to tighten the long screws, securing the ELI-S-25 to the bracket. Next, remove a knockout in order to install the ELI-S-25 wiring harness. Simply press the conduit fitting into the knockout until it snaps, locking it in place. Supply wiring must be installed, which provides switched and constant power to this luminaire and inverter. Remove the desired knockout and pre-install this conduit and wiring. Connect the white wire to AC neutral, red to constant hot, and black to switched hot. The illuminated test switch installs in the mounting bracket's wiring compartment cover. To do so, remove the nut from the back of the test switch and thread the wires through the hole as shown. Thread the nut back down the wire and use it to secure the switch to the cover. Next, connect the test switch's black and red wires to the ELI-S-25's test switch wiring, red to yellow red, and black to yellow black. Now, at this point, we can wire the luminaire's AC mains and dimming connections to the ELI-S-25's output wiring. Remove a knockout and install an appropriate fitting to receive the luminaire's wiring. Feed in the AC input power cord and make the AC connections. Green to luminaire's ground, red-white to neutral, and the red-black wire to luminaire's hot. Now, run the luminaire's 0 to 10 volt dimming wires into the wiring compartment. These will be connected to the ELI-S-25's dimming output connections to enable the inverter's auto-dimming functionality. Connect pink-white to the luminaire's dim-, and violet-white to dim-plus. Though the max emergency output power of the ELI-S-25 is 25 VA, it can still power luminaires up to 200 watts in the emergency mode thanks to Bodine's AutoDim. AutoDim automatically controls the dimming signal into the luminaire while in the emergency mode to reduce the power requirements of the luminaire. In this installation, we will not be using a room dimmer to control this fixture, so the ELI-S-25's violet and pink dimming input wires will not be used. Now that the wiring is complete, the wiring compartment can be closed and the luminaire can be hung from the ELI-S-25 assembly. In this case, the luminaire's hook simply connects to the mounting bracket's opening. Now that the luminaire is hung from the mounting bracket, the whole assembly can be lifted into place. Once hung, run the supply wiring to your junction box containing AC power for the installation, and connect the supply conductors to ground, neutral, constant hot, and switched hot. Finally, the installation is complete. Apply switched and constant hot and test the installation. The luminaire's LED array should be on, and the ELI-S-25's charging indicator should be green. Flashing green indicates the ELI-S-25 is charging. When power fails, the indicator shows red, meaning the microinverter is in the emergency mode. The luminaire's LED array should be lit at a reduced level. If you would like to conduct a full 90-minute duration test, allow the microinverter to charge for at least 24 hours to fully charge the battery. There's a wide variety of Bodine emergency products for virtually all applications.